Hey there, Louis Akabalis here. Thanks for stopping by. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the quick launch navigation menu that is displayed by default on a SharePoint Online site. Now, before we get started, if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest SharePoint Online tutorials that I publish. Lastly, head over to my website, luigiacovalis.com, and be sure to join my mailing list so that you don't miss out on any of my new video or written content. You can grab the link to my website in the description below. Now let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, now just very quickly, the quick launch menu is a navigation menu that is displayed on all kinds of different SharePoint Online sites by default. Now you'll notice on the very left-hand side of your SharePoint Online site, you probably have a menu that looks like this one that features several links such as home, document, pages, site contents, recycle bin, etc. Now essentially what this menu does is it allows you to quickly navigate into the different spaces and apps on your SharePoint Online site. And what's even pretty cool about this menu is that you can actually click edit and you can add additional links as you see fit. So just putting your cursor below any one of these elements here is going to bring up this plus sign. If you click on this, you can actually put in a link and you can see here that you can actually link out to multiple different elements such as conversations, calendars, notebooks, planner, etc. And if you wanted to actually even put external links, you could go ahead and do that. Now, sometimes you may want to optimize the real estate that is available on the screen when it comes to structuring your SharePoint Online site. And so you may want to actually go ahead and remove this so that you can use that maximum space on your screen. Now, to go ahead and remove this quick launch menu, it's actually fairly simple. All you need to do is scroll to the very top of SharePoint Online's interface and click on the little settings icon. And then you want to go ahead and click into site contents. From here, you want to go ahead and click on site settings. And then you want to go ahead and click into navigation elements. Now what you'll see here is this option that reads enable quick launch, and you can see here it says specify whether the quick launch should be displayed to aid navigation. And again, by default, this is going to be turned on. If you want to hide the quick launch menu, you just want to uncheck this box and then go ahead and click OK. And you can see here on the settings page, it's disappeared. Now, if I quickly navigate back to the home page of this site, what you can see is that the quick launch has now disappeared, and you can see that the content is going to be spread across the entire section of the page, making it look a little bit cleaner. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and add the quick launch again, no problem. Again, you want to click into the settings button and then click into site contents. Here you want to click on site settings, and then you want to click under look and feel into the navigation elements link. And here to re-enable it, you want to go ahead and check this box, enable quick launch, and click OK. And you can see here that the quick launch menu was added. And again, if we just go back to our landing page here, again, you can see that that quick launch was added back to this site. So that's it. This was just a very quick tutorial showing you how to remove or hide the quick launch navigation menu that is enabled by default in SharePoint Online sites. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest SharePoint Online tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Akabalis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.